guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a DIY Pom-Pom bookmark. This is what we're going to be making today. This bookmark, and then we have this bookmark. For the first method, the materials you'll need are scissors, a pom-pom, and cardstock and glue. And for the second method, you'll need a pom-pom, scissors, yarn, and glue, but that is optional. First, you're going to take a piece of cardstock. Cardstock is better to use than paper because it's less flimsy. So that's what I'm going to be using. And cut off this is going to be how long and wide your bookmark is going to be. So make sure you make it the right length. Just like this. Next, you're going to take your pom-pom, and you can buy them, you can make them. I made mine, and you can go check out my pom-pom rug video to find out how to make them, or the pom-pom garland video. And then what you're gonna do is take your cardstock, put glue along one edge, and stick it into your pom-pom, press down around it. That's gonna help keep it on a lot easier. Just like that. And make sure it dries before you use it because you don't want glue in your book. And then all you have to do is find your page, and then you can slide your bookmark right in there, just like that. That's the first way of making a pom-pom bookmark. The second way is taking another pom-pom. I'm gonna do dark blue this time. And we're gonna cut another strip of paper. And you can use different colors. You can also do, I've made a multicolored rainbow pom-pom. And what you do, instead of using a lot of your yarn just to keep wrapping and wrapping around, you get about a fourth, or depending on how many colors I did 4, so I took a fourth of the amount of yarn I'd usually do, and cut off that much out of one color, and then the same out of the rest. So I'd have 4 different colors. They're all pretty short, and then I'd tie them together in small knots, make sure they're really tight, and then you cut out the extra string, and then you wrap it around, make the pom-pom, and when you cut it out, it'll be really cool looking. So you should definitely try that out. So now what I'm gonna do is take some more yarn, and I think I'll do yellow. So I'm gonna take some yellow yarn and cut a long piece off. Now I'm gonna cut it into equal thirds. Make that a little bit longer. Okay, just like this. And then we're gonna tie them together at the top, kind of like if you're about to make a friendship bracelet. And you can also, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna braid my string, but you can also use the friendship bracelet method, which is tying the small knots. I think I'm gonna do braid though. So let's tape it down so it'll stay. And then braid. Then you're gonna tie a knot where you want it to end and take off the tape. Now I'm gonna cut my ending a bit better, or my starting point, but it's actually going to be my ending once you see what we're gonna do. So now I have all these long strings, and I'm going to take my pom-pom and tie it around the middle, tie one of them around the middle. Just like that, and then cut off the extra string, and then I'll have that one extra string, the long one, right there, and you can just cut that off. And if you want, you could put a little dot of glue right where the knot is, just to secure it, which is what I'm gonna do. Press that together and let it dry. Now that it's dry, I have a little cute braided string coming off. I'm going to take my book, and then you can just place the string in the book and then fold it closed. This one's a little bit flimsier, but both of them work and both of them are super cute. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!